push from your side. Got it, just a little higher. All right, throw it on the pile. Morning. License and manifest, please.
All right, you're cleared. Head straight and watch your speed.
The weight seems higher than the manifest.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
35,500 kilograms, confirmed.
This syrup now enters a controlled environment for further concentration.
In vacuum conditions, the liquid boils at lower temperatures to preserve quality.
And this is where sugar crystals begin to take shape. And this is where sugar crystals begin to take shape.
The mixture is carefully rotated to grow perfect crystals. High-speed machines separate sugar crystals from the remaining liquid. The leftover liquid becomes molasses, used in many other products. The wet sugar now moves forward for drying. Hot air removes all remaining moisture.
What remains is pure, sparkling sugar.
Sugar is graded based on crystal size and quality.
Now it's ready to be packed with precision.
Each pack is sealed and prepared for delivery.
Thousands of bags are stored before being shipped worldwide. And just like that, it's ready to reach your home.
From farm to your table, this is the journey of sugar.
Every crystal is now refined to meet high purity standards.
Experts carefully test the sugar for quality and safety.
Even under a microscope, the structure reveals its perfection.
Advanced automation ensures speed and accuracy. Factories store massive quantities to meet global demand.
Every bag is carefully handled before shipment.
Each package is tracked and recorded digitally. Now the journey continues beyond the factory. Sugar travels across cities and countries.
It reaches distribution centers for further delivery.
Finally, it reaches the hands of consumers.
A simple moment, powered by a complex process.
dissolving instantly, yet carrying a long journey.
From farms to factories, every step matters. Behind every grain, there are hard-working people. And machines working in perfect harmony. The factory never truly sleeps. Production continues around the clock.
Tiny crystal. Massive journey.
We are seeing significant gains in throughput on the main line.
And the quality metrics are holding steady, according to the tablet.
That'll be $350 at the counter.
Okay, here's the payment. Thank you. Have a great day.
This tea is almost as sweet as our children.
Daddy's being funny again.
Behind the scenes, this process runs with incredible precision every single day.
Advanced systems monitor every step in real time.
Even the smallest adjustment can change the final quality.
From raw plant to refined perfection. A transformation that feels almost unbelievable. Maintenance and care keep the process running flawlessly. A massive operation hidden behind everyday products. All that effort inside something so small.
All that effort inside something so small.
From farm to factory to your home. A journey you'll never look at the same way again. Subscribe to discover more amazing factory processes.
See you in the next journey.